I'm out on site with one of our BaffleBox gross pollutant traps. These guys here will remove pretty much all of your gross pollutants and a good portion of your sediment before it gets into the actual wetland. So this is part of a treatment train. This here is step number 1, and then the wetland behind us is step number 2. The BaffleBox does a couple of things that no other gross pollutant trap does. Number 1, it has what we call an AtlanView cover. This allows Joe Public to come along and see what the device is actually doing and actually become engaged with the stormwater, understand what it's doing, and they can actually see the pollution that's been removed, which hopefully will drive a behavioural change. The other thing that the BaffleBox does, which no other GPT does, the gross pollutant cage is above the standing water level, which means that your gross pollutants will actually dry out in between rain events, and you won't have your organic materials such as leaves and what have you sitting in the water and releasing nutrient. The AtlanView cover, as you can see here, both of these sides will open up. I've got one side open up here. Allows very good access for cleaning and sucker trucks to get in.